Hi folks, welcome to my YouTube channel Retro Photo House. And today it's time to another review. I continue to test ultimate quality vintage lenses, and today we will talk about unique lens. This is a Carl Zeiss planar 1.4 55mm HFT 3 blades iris for relay cameras. This review is composed of two parts. In first part I will talk about original version, and in second I will unveil a planar tuned in my workshop for movie capturing purposes. So why this lens is so unique? Designed in 1973 in West Germany for top-of-the-line Rolleiflex SL350 camera, it was the finest camera lens at the time and still is nowadays. Lens saw limited production in Zeiss factory in Oberkochen. Some 3,300 pieces were built. It was designed for a wide range of applications in poor light, but of course its main purpose portrait photography with blurred and faded backgrounds. This lens delivers exceptional image quality, even at wide open. Some of these fine shots made personally by me you are now looking at. It has an elder brother, Cine Planar, which was used in Hollywood to shoot among others The Shining, starring Jack Nicholson. Here is the scene of this film showing triangular bouquet shape encircled in red. For the sake of simplicity, the number of aperture blades is indicated as 3 in specification, but in fact diaphragm has 9 blades coupled side by side in groups of 3. Only the outer blades are visible, so bouquet shape looks like triangles with rounded sides. The exact reason for using such diaphragm is unknown, however it was not a production cost cutting measure. Now let's take a look at optics. A cutting-edge coating technology was used for optical elements treatment. It was called HFT, a high-fidelity transfer. It boosts light transmission, ensures sharp and high-contrast images, minimizes ghosts and flares. What are the technical specs of this lens? So the optical design consists of 6 elements in 5 groups. Field of view 28.5 degrees. Fastest aperture f1.4. Slowest aperture f16. Focusing range is from 1 meter to infinity. Relay QBM bayonet mount. Flange focal distance 44.5 mm. Front filter thread 67 mm. Weight 620 grams. Now let's pass to a second part of my review, where I would like to present to you guys the cine-modded version of this planar HFT 3 blades version. So there are a few points that I've added to this lens that are very important for filmmakers. So first of all, I've changed the mount from Relay QBM to Canon EF. For compatibility with many filming cameras, many equipment, so it preserves the original focusing from 1 meter to infinity. So now we have a Canon EF mount. Then I've declicked the aperture. Now you can see that it's clickless, very important. I relubricated the focusing ring. So now we have a smooth as silk focusing, because originally it's not so good because of this lens is quite old, so it needs service. I added the follow focus gear for follow focus equipment, and also I added here the 77mm front. So it's fully working. You may see how 3 blades iris aperture is working, and it delivers really stunning results.